Introduction to AI assistants and time zones.
The previous user messages have been powerful tools for managing your calendar, especially when working with teams or clients in different countries. Handling time zones can be complex, but modern AI assistants are designed to automatically adjust meeting times so scheduling across borders is more efficient and less prone to mistakes.
How AI detects and adjusts time zones.
AI assistants typically recognize time zones from your device settings or by detecting the location mentioned in event invitations. When you schedule a meeting or receive an invite, the assistant converts the meeting time to the correct local time for each participant. This reduces confusion and prevents missed meetings due to time differences.
Setting up your AI assistant for international scheduling.
To ensure your AI assistant manages time zones accurately, configure your primary location in the settings of your calendar app or AI assistant. If you travel, update your device's time zone promptly. Most assistants offer options to add multiple time zones or display them side by side, simplifying coordination with international contacts.
Scheduling meetings with international participants.
When creating a meeting, specify times using either your local time or the participant's time zone. AI assistants can automatically display or send invites with time zone conversions. Many also suggest ideal times based on participants' locations, helping you find a time that works for everyone without manual calculations.
Tips for avoiding common time zone mistakes.
Double-check time zones for each meeting invite, especially during daylight saving changes. Encourage colleagues to keep their calendars updated. Most AI assistants allow reminders to adjust for travel or time zone shifts. Using these built-in features helps you reliably organize and attend meetings across any number of time zones.